Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys doing okay. So today I will show you guys how to install Ubuntu Server, okay, 20.4 on VMware. So this is the first video of a series of videos with Ubuntu Server where I'm going to show you guys how to install services like DNS server, uh, HCP server, proxy server, what else? Web servers, FTP server, SSH server. Uh, so this will be the first one. So I will start right now. Okay, we are going to start right now. First of all, we are going to create a virtual machine. Okay, I am looking to this side because here I have my monitor, my screen, and I have another one right here in front of me, and I have another one here. So, and my laptop's here. Okay. So first we're going to create a virtual machine. So create. All right. So here the first step is asking you where from where you're going to take this ISO or this image file. So I'm going to browse on my documents and then I will pick up here. Okay, probably in your computer is going to be in download folder, or if you moved you have to browse to this folder where you put your image and then you select it. So you have the option to I will install the operating system later. It means you're not going to select now, you're going to select after creating the virtual machine. So I selected the red, I'm going to give next. Here is telling me to personalize my Linux. So my full name, I'm not going to put my full name, just username Obelix. Alright, so my username Obelix, and then my password again, and then I'm going to press next. So now it's asking the virtual machine name. I'm going to use Ubuntu Server. Perfect. Why I'm using Ubuntu Server? Because it will be easy to localize, right? Or if I need to do something, it's going to be easy because I know what means this machine, what is this machine, this virtual machine. So next, oh, one more thing. Here's the location where is going to be saved your virtual machine. All right, as a standard, VMware saves it on documents in a folder named virtual machines. So if you want to change, you come here to browse and you choose a path where it's going to be. So as a standard, I will add here. Next, now asking for the maximum disk size. I'm going to use 50, alright? 50. It's enough to all the services we are going to use. I'm going to use. So I will store this in a single file, not multiples, because it will be harder to move later if I need to move, and also single file is faster, I think. All right, so next. Here the point is now we are ready to create the virtual machine. So now we are going to customize our hardware. Right, so here what's going on here, we have a memory, a RAM memory or random access memory. Right, so we have 4 gigabytes. I'm going to use 5 or 6. Perfect. Processors, we are going to use 2. I'm going to use 2. You can use more or less. Here is the image I'm going to use. Then I have a a network adapter, a NAT, or network address translator. So USB controller, sound card, printer. I'm not going to use printer right now, so I will remove to not have any problem. Close. Perfect. We personalize, we customize our virtual machine. So now when I press finish, we will start. Okay, this machine will be powered on to install. So finished. Let's see now what will happen here. Okay, we'll close here. Let's wait a bit. Perfect. It's starting. Okay, checking integrity. This needed sometimes. Yeah, it's normal, right? So let's wait a little bit. Okay, check. Finished. No errors found. So can't stat. No such file directory. Password expired. Information changed. Okay. Can't open block tag. I hope this is going to be fine. Let's see what's next. Alright, checking for Ubuntu. Okay, identifying the hashes, this kind of stuff. So here we have the identification from our SSH host. Right, it's the key for the host. We can change it in another video. I'm going to show you guys how to change it. So now the first step is going to ask us what's the language we're going to use. I'm going to use English by standard. Okay, I will press enter. Oops. Enter. Here's the layout of my keyboard, so I will keep English the same. Enter. Here is the net, the address, my interface, my network interface. So I press enter because it's okay. If you have any proxy or if you have any proxy address, something like that, you can use right here. I don't have, so we are going to configure later. So now we're done here. All right, here's the mirror for Ubuntu updates. All right, so I'm going to let the same as here right now. Okay, here here is how you want to use the disk. I'm going to use the entire disk. I'm going to unselect this because we're going to select the disk as LVM. We don't need that. So now tab, we are done. Okay, here is the file system summary, what we did, the configuration we have done. So I just press done. Now we will ask to confirm if I really want to do that and say confirm destructive action, or it means you're ready to destroy everything you have on this hard drive and restart everything or install everything. So I will continue because it's a fresh install. So here is asking my name again. I use the same info as used before. Here Ubuntu Server obliques routine. Alright, so enter. Here install SSH server. No, we are not going to install right now because we are going to install it later. So we are done here. Enter. Ubuntu gave us the options like pre-installed services like Mosquito, Docker, Heroku, Postgre, this kind of stuff. We're not going to install anything because we want a clean installation. So done. Now the process is started already, installing, so it takes some time. All right, I will back soon it finished, and then we continue that. Okay. So guys, we restarted. All right, we finished the installation. Now we restarted. Okay, he updates the software, updates everything. So I restarted. Now when he comes back, he's going to back with the login and the password is going to require to enter the system. All right, so this is the moment that oh, it's finished executing cloud users. So let's wait it finish. The and SSH host key fingerprints. Okay, the begin is configuring it probably. So let's give a minute. Right. Right. Ubuntu Server login. Now I will log in with my username Obelix. Alright, remember the username you just wrote down or you use it to create. So there the password. So okay, password. Here's my password. Alright, so now I am inside my server. Okay. From now we can do update, we can do many things. So the first thing I will clear here. Alright, so the first thing after you install your web server, your Linux web server, you should do so my password. Alright, okay, it's updated now. Okay, so for now it's it. Alright, later on we are going to install OpenSSH, will be the first service I'm going to install. Alright, and then after that FTP server, and then or before FTP a web server, and then FTP server, then a proxy or DSN or file server, application server, whatever. I'm going to check which one, what I'm going to do later on. Okay, so thanks for now for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and well, I'm coming back and I'm going to make all the videos I had again. Right, so thank you guys for watching. See you soon.